Very good afternoon. See, I'm starting this session. Listen. So, in the previous session, we discussed about giants. So, this giants concept is used to retrieve the data from multiple tables. So, based on some condition, we perform the giant operation. That condition is called giant condition. So this giant condition decides which record in one table should be joined with which record in another table. So there are different types of giants out there: equigiant, outer giant, non-equigiant, self-giant, and cross-giant. Among these, important are equigiant, outer giant, and self-giant. These three are important. Equigiant, outer giant, and self-giant are important. So equigiant means if giant operation is performed based on equality condition. Here E dot department number equals to D dot department number. Based on equality condition, we are performing the giant operation. That is equigiant. Next. See some more. One example we have seen. We can write giant query in two styles. One is Oracle style, another one is ANSI style. So yesterday we have seen one example on equigiant. Now see one more example. Listen. Our requirement is we want to display the employee records. We want to display the employee record, Blake record we want to display. Display Blake record along with department details. So including department details, we want to display the Blake records. That is our requirement. So employee details we want to display with department details, but all employee records we don't want. Only we want to get Blake record. So display Blake record along with department details. So now, employee details are in which table? EMP table. Department details are in which table? Department table. Employee details are in EMP table. Department details are in department table. Our requirement is we want to display the employee records whose name is Blake along with department names we want, along with department details we want. So for example, here this is the EMP table. This is the department table. For example, here Blake is working in which department? Observe here. Select employee number, e-name, comma department number from EMP where e-name equals to Blake. Blake record we are retrieving here. So Blake is working in which department? 30 department. So 30 department name, observe here. Select star from department. 30 department name is what? Sales. Okay. So here, for example, here Blake record is there. Blake is working in 30 department. Like this data is there. So now our requirement is we want to display this Blake record along with the department details. So yesterday we have written like this. First we are writing Oracle style. Oracle style we are writing. So we want to get employee name and salary values. So select for employee table we are giving alias name as E. E dot E name, E dot salary. Department details D dot D name, D dot location. From which tables we are retrieving? EMP table and department table. So right here from EMP E, comma, department D. Okay, so select From employee table, 2 columns we are selecting. From department table, 2 columns we are selecting. Where, okay, condition is what? In these 2 tables, which one is the common column? Department number. What is the giant condition we have to write? E dot department number equals to D dot department number. So if we write like this, E dot department number equals to D dot department number. If we write like this, it will display all employees records. What is our requirement now? We don't want to get all employees records. We want to get only Blake record. So we need to write the condition here. Okay, and E dot department value should be equal to D dot department number, and E dot E name should be Blake. So like this we write. So if this second condition is not there, every department number value in the EMP table will be compared with every department number value in the department table. This 20 will be compared with 10, 20, 30, 40. Next 20 will be compared with 10, 20, 30, 40 like this. But here, if you write the second condition here, if you write this second condition, okay, now only Blake record will be selected now. Because of this condition, first it selects the Blake record here. So E dot E name value is Blake. So here, this Blake record will be selected. Okay. What is the giant condition we are writing here? E dot department number equals to EMP table alias name E, department table alias name D. Okay. So we are writing condition as E dot department number equals to D dot department number. So here, because of we have written condition as E dot E name equals to Blake, only Blake record will be selected. Blake department number is 30. So Blake department number is 30 here. So Blake department number is 30. Is this 30 matching with 10 or not? It is checking. So is 30 matching with 10? No. So E dot department number value is what? 10. Sorry, 30. Okay, this 30, is it matching with this 10 or not? It is checking. Is 30 matching with 10? No. Is 30 matching with 20? No. Is 30 matching with 30? Yes. It will perform the join operation now. So now this 30 department, this 30 Blake record will be joined with this 30 record. Okay. Is 30 matching with 40? No. So like this, it performs a join operation. So now Blake is working in which department? Sales department. So this is Oracle style. The same query we want to write in ANSI style now. In the ANSI style, to separate 2 table names, what we have to write? To separate 2 table names, what we have to write? Keyword we have to write. This is important. To separate 2 table names in ANSI style, in Oracle style, we use comma. In ANSI style, to separate 2 table names, we use keyword. Okay, and we write giant condition in the on class or using class in ANSI style. So this style they're following now. So in ANSI style, to separate these 2 tables, we are using the keyword here. Which keyword we have to use? Inner jan. Okay, and this is the jan condition we are writing in the on class. You can write like this, but generally this on class is used to write the jan condition. So it's better to write this condition in the where class. Filter condition we write in the where class. Jan condition we write in the on class. Okay. So write jan condition in on class. Write jan condition in on class and write filter condition. Write filter condition in where class. So this is the convention. So if you write in the on class and e dot ename equals to Blake, it gives. But in the on class, generally we write Jan condition. In the where class, we write the filter condition. So now this is the ANSI style. And this one is the Oracle style. Is it working or not? Let me check. Observe. So two queries I'm running. First one, Oracle style I'm running. I'm copying this. See. So what it is displaying? Blake record. Blake is working in sales report. So this is Oracle style. The same query, ANSI style I'm running now. I'm copying this. See, this is ANSI style. Okay, we are using keyword. In the on class, we are writing Jan condition. This is ANSI style. Blake record, it is displaying. So this is the way of using EquiJan. So yesterday we displayed all employee records along with department details. Today we are displaying only Blake record. So this condition we are writing extra here. One more question. Sometimes the question is display the employee records who are working in. Display the employee records who are working in Chicago. We want to display the employee records who are working in the Chicago. This is our requirement. So observe, select star from department. So Chicago means which department? Sales department. Department number is what? 30. So the employees who are working in 30 department we want. Okay, the employees who are working in Chicago we want. Okay, so for that, same we write. Same EquiJan we write. Okay, observe. We want to display the employee records who are working in Chicago. So we write like this. See, if we write E dot department number equals to D dot department number, it gives all employees records with department details. We don't want all employees records who are working in Chicago we want. So Chicago is which column value? Chicago is which column value? D dot location value. D dot location value. Chicago is which column value? Location column value. Okay, that is D dot location column value. So which condition we have to write here? And okay, D dot location equals to Chicago. That's it. So D dot location equals to Chicago. So now it gives the employee records who are working in Chicago. Okay. So now next, here also, what we write here? This condition, instead of writing E dot ename equals to Blake, what we have to write? D dot location equals to Chicago. So observe, I'm copying this Oracle style Jan query. Oracle style we are running now. So the employees who are working in Chicago, it is giving. Observe here, all employees who are working in the Chicago, it is giving. 6 employees are working in Chicago sales department. So this is which style? Oracle style. In the ANSI style, we want to run. So this is the ANSI style. So just I am copying this. Okay. See here. Sales department, Chicago. The employees who are working in Chicago, it is given. So what is happening here? Try to understand. So this is the sample data. So this is the data. Here what is happening? First it is selecting because of this condition, because of D dot location, Chicago condition. First it selects the Chicago department. It selects Chicago department. Just a minute. Sorry. So first it selects the Chicago record here. Chicago record. Okay, we are writing condition like this. E dot department number equals to D dot department number. This is the condition we are writing. So what is first D dot department number value? Observe 20. E dot department value 20. Is 20 matching with 30? That checks. Is 20 matching with 30? No. Is 20 matching with 30? No. Is 30 matching with 30? Yes. This record will be jammed. Now C record will be jammed now. This C record will be, this 30 is matching with this 30. So this record will be jammed with this record. So C employees working in which department? Sales department, Chicago. Next, it compares 10 with 30. Is 10 matching with 30? No. Is 10 matching with 30? No. Is 30 matching with 30? Yes. Okay. So this 30 is matching with 30. It performs JAN operation. F is working in which department? 30 department. Okay. So like this, it performs the JAN operation here. Okay. So this is the way of checking equi-JAN condition. So it gives only say the employees records who are working in the Chicago. So this is the way of using equi-JAN. So now listen carefully here. Now, till here we used equi-JAN. We retrieved data from two tables. One is EMP table, another one is department table. To retrieve data two tables, how many JAN conditions we are writing? One condition. E dot department number equals to D dot department number. Now we want to work with multiple tables. See, this is example on retrieving data from 4 tables. This is example on equi-JAN only, but we want to retrieve data from 4 tables. So how many JAN conditions we need to write? To retrieve data from 2 tables, to retrieve data from 2 tables, we write one JAN condition. We write one JAN condition. To retrieve data from 2 tables, we write one JAN condition. If we want to retrieve data from 4 tables, how many JAN conditions we have to write? 3 JAN conditions we have to write. If we want to retrieve data from 10 tables, how many JAN conditions we need to write? 9 JAN conditions we need to write. So number of JAN conditions is one value less than number of tables. If n tables are there, n minus 1 JAN conditions we write. So we want to retrieve data from 4 tables. So how many JAN conditions we need? So what are those 4 tables? Just observe. First table is EMP1 table. It has fields like employee number, employee name, department number is there, but department details are not there. Just department number is there. And department details are there in another table. That table name is department. Department details are in another table. These department details are in another table. That is another table, department table. This is department 1 table. In this department number, department name, the department is in which location, that location name is not there, location ID is there. So location details are in another table. Location details are in another table, location table. Third table name is location. Location is another table, location 1. Location 1 table is there. Here it is having location details, location ID, that location ID. Okay, next location name, and that location is in which country. That country ID is there, country name is not there. And country details are in the country table. This is country 1 table. Okay, so country ID, next country name, country details are there in the country table. Now observe here, from these 4 tables, we want to get data like this. From employee table, employee name we want. That employee is working in which department? That department name we want. Is EMP1 table is having department name? No. Department name is in which table? Department 1 table. Next, I want to get in this department is located in which location? That location name we want. So location name is location name in department 1 table? No. Location name is in which table? Location 1. Okay. This location is in which country? That country name we want. Here country name is not there. Country name is in the country table. So now, like this we want to get the data. This E name is the column of which table? EMP1. D name is the column of which table? Department 1. L name is the column of which table? Location 1. C name is the column of which table? Country 1. From 4 tables we want to retrieve the data now. So this is our requirement. Very, very simple. So first join these 2 tables. In the EMP1 table and in the department table, which one is the common column? Department number. So what is the join condition we have tried? If this column, this table alias name is E, this table alias name D, this table alias name L, this table alias name C. So what is the join condition we need to write? E dot department number is equals to D dot department number. If this department number is matching, perform join operation. If that is joined, we can access department name, location ID. So we are getting department details with this join operation. Okay, department details we are getting. Next, what we want to get? Location details. So, but location details are not there in the department 1. In the department table and in the location table, which one is the common column here? Location ID is the common column. So which condition we have right now? D dot location ID equals to L dot location ID. Okay. So now if this location ID matching, that performs a join operation. So with that we can access location name and country ID. Okay. Location name we are getting. Next we want to access country name, but country name is not here. Okay. In the location table and in the country table, which one is the common column? CID, country ID. So if this location table's country ID matching with country table's country ID, perform join operation. Okay. So what we are right here? L dot CID equals to C dot CID. This is the join condition. So it performs join operation like this. We can access country name now. So how many join conditions we are writing? 3. From how many tables we are retrieving the data? 4. To retrieve data from 4 tables, how many join conditions we are tried? 3. Observe Oracle style. So this, I'm not creating these tables. Okay, when you are practicing, you can create these tables and you can try. Already these tables are created in another schema. I'm opening that schema. So that schema name is Oracle 11am. In the Oracle 11am, these tables are there. Let me show those tables. So select star from EMP1. Observe here, sorry. EMP1. Observe the data. This is EMP1 table. Employee number, e-name, department number. Here department details are not here. Department details are there in another table. Department 1 table. So select star from department 1. So here department number is there. Department name is there. Its location ID is there. But location names are not here. Location details are there in location table. So select star from location 1. So here location ID is there. Location name is there and country ID is there. Location details are here, but country details are not here. Country details are in country table. So from select star from country 1. Okay, these are the country details. So 4 tables are there. Observe. So this is EMP1 table, employee details and department numbers are here. Department details are there in the department 1 table. And locations are in the location 1 table. And country names are there in the country 1 table. So from these 2 tables, we want to get employee name from the EMP table, from the EMP1 table, department name from the department 1 table, location name from the location 1 table, and country name from the country 1 table. This is our requirement. From 4 different tables, 4 columns we want. Okay. So select. For the EMP1 table, we are giving alias name as E. E dot E name. Comma. For department table, we are giving alias name as D. D dot D name. For location table, alias name is L. L dot L name. For country 1 table, we are giving alias name as C. C dot C name. So 4 columns we are giving. Okay. From which tables we have to tell here? From EMP1 E table, comma, department 1 D table, comma, location 1 L table, comma, okay, country 1 C table. Okay, where write the joining condition now. Just now we discussed the joining conditions. What are the joining conditions? E dot department number equals to D dot department number. So E dot department number equals to D dot department number, one join condition. And one more condition. D dot location ID equals to L dot location ID. Okay. So D dot location ID equals to L dot location ID. And one more join condition we need to write. Okay. L dot country ID, L dot CID equals to C dot CID. L dot CID equals to C dot CID. Observe here. So 3 join conditions we are writing. We are retrieving data from 4 tables. Okay. So from every table, 1 column is specified. Observe here. It is displaying employee details, department details, location details, and country details. From 4 different tables, we are retrieving the data. So this is the query we are writing. Now, is it Oracle style or ANSI style? Oracle style. Now, the same query we want to write in the ANSI style now. This is the Oracle style. In ANSI style, we want to write. Okay. So, in ANSI style, it is important. Listen carefully. Little bit difference is there. Observe. So what we have to write is select E dot E name, comma D dot D name, comma L dot L name, comma C dot C name. Okay. So 4 columns list. To separate these table names, which keyword we have to use? Inner join. So now EMP table will be joined with department table based on which condition? E dot department number equals to D dot department number. So if we write like this, EMP table will be joined with department table. Now what is our requirement? We want to join this department table with location table. That is our requirement. So to join 2 tables, which keyword we have to use? Inner join. Okay. So here, after writing this, we have to write inner join. Inner join. Because of already department 1 is specified, again we have no need to specify it. So here already department 1 table is specified. Department 1 table we want to join with location 1 table. Department 1 table name is already there. So no need to write inner Jan, write another table name, location 1. EMP table will be joined with the department table. This department table will be joined with location table. Because of this department table name is already there, again we have no need to write. Directly write inner Jan, location 1. EMP table will be joined with the department 1 table based on this condition. And this department 1 table will be joined with location 1 table based on which condition we have to tell. Based on which condition? D dot location ID equals to L dot location ID. Okay. Now we want to join this location 1 table with country table. So because of this location 1 table is already there, again we have no need to write it. So this location 1 table we want to join with, so inner join with the country table. So write country 1. Based on which condition? L dot CID equals to C dot CID. That's it. This is the ANSI style. So EMP table will be joined with the department table based on this condition. And this department 1 table will be joined with location 1 table on this condition. And location 1 table will be joined with country 1 table on this condition. That is the meaning of this one. So every time join condition we're writing in the on clause. So this is ANSI style. Is it working or not? Just observe here. Okay, sorry. Here, maybe. Sorry. I missed here. For department 1, alias name is D. For location 1, alias name is L. For country 1, alias name is C. Yes. Alias names are missed. I'm sorry. Okay, now it will work. See here. It is displaying employee names, department names, location names, and country names. From 4 different tables, we are retrieving the data. So to retrieve data from 4 tables, we are writing 3 join conditions. So this is about EquiJan. EquiJan topic is over. Is it clear about EquiJan? Next. Next one is outer chain. So listen carefully. If you don't listen, you cannot understand. Listen carefully. EquiJan can give only matched records. EquiJan cannot give unmatched records. For example, observe in these 2 tables. For example, 1007 employees there. His name is G. Okay. And 1008 employees there. His name is H. So is the G and H are the employees, but to them that organization didn't assign any department. They are newly joined. So we inserted those employee records in the EMP table. But for those 2 employees, organization didn't assign any department number. Organization not yet decided department number of these employees. So they didn't assign any department number to them. So for 1007, 1008, no department number is assigned. So for this 1007, is there any matching department number here in the department table? No. This value is null. Is null matching with 10 or 20 or 30 or 40? No. No matched record is there for this department number. Here also department number value is null. No matching record is there. So this 1007, 1008, these records are called unmatched records. For these 2 records, no matching record is there in the department table. So these are called unmatched records. Whereas for this 20 department, is there any matching record? Yes. So this is a matched record. For this 20, is there any matching record? Yes. For 30, is there any matching record? Yes. So these are the matched records. These are the matched records. Whereas these last 2 are the unmatched records from EMP table. So see the terminology. I use this terminology frequently. Matched record, unmatched record. Okay. So for this 20 matching records are available. For this 30 matching records is available here. And for this 10 also matching record is available in the department table. But for these departments, for these department numbers, matching record is not available in the department table. So these are called unmatched records from EMP. Okay. In the department table, observe, is employees are there in the 10th department? Yes. For 10th department, matching records are there in EMP or not? Yes. For 20 department, matching records are there in the EMP table? Yes. For 30 department, matching records are there in the EMP table? Yes. But for 40 department, is there any matching record in the EMP table? No. This is called unmatched record from department table. In the department table, this operations is the unmatched record. In the EMP table, 1007, 1008 are the unmatched records. And these are the matched records. So if we use EquiGen, is it giving matching records or unmatching records? Matching records only. Our requirement is we want to get these unmatched records. To get unmatched records, we have to use the concept outer Jan. EquiGen can give matched records only. EquiGen does not give these unmatched records. Here, these are the matched records. For 20, corresponding department is available. For 30, corresponding department is available. For 10 also available. But for null, not available. For 40, not available. So in the EMP table, 1007, 1008 are called unmatched records. In the department table, this 40 is unmatched record. And these are the matching records. EquiGen can give only these matching records. EquiGen does not give this unmatching records. If our requirement is getting these unmatching records, we must use outer Jan. So inner Jan can give matched records only. Inner Jan can give matched records only. It cannot give unmatched records. It cannot give unmatched records. Okay, so to get unmatched records, also, to get unmatched records also means it will give matched records also. So to get unmatched records also, use outer Jan. So outer Jan gives matched records and unmatched records. Outer Jan can give matched records and unmatched records. Okay. So inner Jan means what? The records which falls in this condition that gives. Inner. The names are giving the meanings here. Inner. The records which falls under this condition it gives. The records which comes in this condition it gives. Inner. Outer. Outer means the records. Outer means what? The records which are not falling under this condition also it will give. Inner means the records which are falling under this condition it is giving. Outer means what? The records which falling under this condition it is giving, and not falling under this condition also it is giving. So that's why we are using the term outer. Outer means simply you can understand like unmatched. Inner means you can understand like matched. If this condition is matched, that is giving. Okay, if this condition is not matched, it is not giving. But whereas in case of outer Jan, even if this condition is not matched, it is giving. Okay. So outer Jan means outer Jan can give matched records and unmatched records. But this outer Jan has some subtypes. So it has three subtypes. It has three subtypes. What are those? One is left outer Jan. Okay. Next one is right outer Jan. Right outer Jan. Okay, next one is full outer chain. So left outer chain, right outer chain, and full outer chain. So these are the three subtypes of the outer chain. Just now I told outer. Outer means you can understand like unmatched. Left outer means it gives unmatched records from left table. Outer means unmatched. So left outer chain means it gives unmatched records. Outer means unmatched. Unmatched from which table? Left table. Right outer means unmatched. It gives unmatched records from right table. Full outer means it gives unmatched records from left and right. That's it. Very simple. So I am taking left outer chain means very, you can understand like left outer means matched plus unmatched from which table? Left table. The name itself is giving the meaning. Left outer. Outer means unmatched. Okay. So left outer, unmatched from left. It gives matched records and unmatched records from left table. So this is the important point here. So left outer chain gives matched records and unmatched records from left table. Unmatched records from left table. Okay, so for this outer chain, we use one chain operator here. This outer chain. So in Oracle style, outer chain operator is used. Outer chain operator symbol is operator means symbol. So for this outer chain operator, the symbol is we write plus symbol in the parenthesis. So this operator we have to use. This operator is called outer chain operator. So in the Oracle style only we use this symbol. In the ANSI style we will not use this symbol. So in Oracle style, outer chain operator is used for outer chain operation. So outer chain operator symbol is plus symbol we are specifying in the brackets. So now left outer chain means it gives all matched records and unmatched from left table. So left outer chain gives matched records and unmatched records from left table. That is left outer chain. For example, here, these are the tables, EMP table and department table. In this table, this 1007, 1008, these are the unmatched records in the EMP table. For these two records, no matching record is available in the department table. And in the department table, for this 40 department, no matching record is there in the EMP table. Okay, so these are the unmatched records in EMP table. And this one is the unmatched record in department table. Okay. If we want to get the matching records, we want to get employee details along with the department details. The question is like this. Display employee records along with department details. If the question is this much only, what we have to write? If the question is this much only, what we have to write? Equijan or outer jan? Inner jan or outer jan? Display employee records along with department details. If the question is this much only, use inner jan. Previously we did. For inner jan, in Oracle style, what we are writing? In Oracle style, we are writing like this. Select employee name we want, e.e name, comma. Employee salary we want, e.salary. Department name we want, d.d name. Department location we want, d.location. From which tables we are retrieving? From EMP table, E, comma, department table, D. Okay, where, what is the jan condition here? E.department number equals to D.department number. So it gives matching records only. If the question is this much only, write like this. But the question is display employee records along with department details. Also display the employee records. Also display the employee records to whom department number is not assigned. Understand the question. Understanding question is very important. Whenever you are attending the interview, okay, so without understanding the question, you cannot write the query. Okay, if you know left outer jan means how to write left outer jan, you know. Okay, right outer jan means how to write right outer jan, you know. But by understanding the question, you have to decide left outer jan or right outer jan. So understanding question is important here. So what is the question here? Display the department employee records along with department details. If the question is this much only, we write inner jan. But what he is asking also, display the employee records to whom department number is not assigned. To whom department number is not assigned? To the G employee, not assigned. To the H employee, not assigned. So what he is asking, unmatched records from which table? Left side table. So we have to use left outer jan or right outer jan? Left outer jan. Unmatched records from left side table we want. Now. Okay. So for this, for left outer jan, listen carefully. For outer jan in Oracle style, for outer jan, we use outer jan operator. Outer jan operator symbol is what? Plus. For left outer jan, write the plus symbol at right side, opposite side. For left outer jan, write the symbol at right side. For right outer jan, write the symbol at left side. Okay, that's it. So this is the Oracle style. So if this plus symbol is not there, what is this one? Equijan. If plus symbol is there at right side, plus symbol is there at right side, this is what? Left outer jan. If this plus symbol is there at left side, what is this one? Right outer jan. That's it. Okay. Here plus symbol is not there. Equijan. This is equijan. Inner jan. I am writing plus symbol at right side. This is left outer jan. It gives all matched records and unmatched from left table. Okay. So now it gives this 1007, 1008 records also. So this is the query. This is Oracle style. Whereas ANSI style is very easy. ANSI style, to separate two tables, what we use here, one keyword. So for left outer jan, which keyword use? Left outer jan only. For left outer jan, which keyword we have to use here? Left outer jan keyword we have to use. Or you also write left jan also, no problem. No need to write outer also. Shortly, you can write left jan also. You can write left jan or left outer jan. Any one you can write. For our understanding purpose, I'm writing left outer jan. You can write left jan also. It will work. Okay. And this is the jan condition. This jan condition where we have tried in the on class. And don't use any plus symbol here. Just E dot department number equals to D dot department number. So it gives matched records and unmatched records from left table. Now listen carefully. Here, left outer jan means it gives matched records. Okay. Unmatched records from left table. How it knows left table, right table, sir? How it decides which one is left table, which one is the right table? That is, in Oracle style, note. In Oracle style, left and right will be decided. Left and right tables will be decided based on giant condition. Left and right tables will be decided based on giant condition. Okay. For example, observe, we are writing like this: E dot where in the Oracle style, where we write giant condition in the where class. In the where class, we are writing like this: E dot department number equals to D dot department number. Now, which one is the left table? E means which table? E means which table? Employee table. So employee table is the left table. Okay, department table is the right table. Left table is EMP, right table is department. Okay. For example, the same query, the same giant condition, I'm writing like this. The same giant condition, you can write E dot department number equals to D dot department number, or D dot department number equals to E dot department number. Both are same. Okay. So instead of writing E dot department number equals to D dot department number, I'm writing D dot department number equals to E dot department number. Now, which one is the left table now? Department is the left table. Okay. EMP is the right table. So this giant condition decides which one is the left table and which one is the right table. So in Oracle style, okay, how it decides left table and right table based on this giant condition. So left side specified table is left table, right side specified table is right table. Here left side is employee table, right side is department table. Here left side department table, right side employee table. And whereas in ANSI style, okay, between two table names, you are writing keyword. Okay, that keyword decides which one is the left table and which one is the right table. Okay, so in from class, we are writing the keyword. So that keyword decides left table and right table here. For example, we are writing like this: from EMPE inner Jan, department D. Which one is the left table now? EMP is the left table. Which one is the right table? Department is the right table. So in ANSI style, this keyword is decided. Based on the keyword, this left side table is left table, right side table is right table. Okay, so for example, we are writing like this: from department D, inner Jan. Okay, so from department D, inner Jan, EMP E. So which one is the left table here? Department is the left table. And EMP is the right table. So in case of in ANSI style, this keyword decides left table and right table. In Oracle style, giant condition decides left table and right table. Now, our requirement is we want to write left outer Jan. So just now we have written this left outer Jan. Observe. See, employee name, salary, department name, location, From EMP table, department table we are retrieving. So plus symbol we are writing at right side means is it left outer join or right outer join? For left outer join we write plus symbol at right side. Okay, in ANSI style just we write the keyword. So both I am writing. Is it giving unmatched records or not? Maybe unmatched records are not there. I'm logging in our batch schema. C # batch 2 PM. Password is Naresh IT. Maybe unmatched records are not there. Let me check. So select star, select ename, department number from EMP. For every employee, two unmatched records are there. AA, no department number is there. For BB also, no department number is there. Two unmatched records are there. For AA and BB, no department number is available here. So these are the unmatched records from EMP table. And 10th department is having employees, 20 department is having employees, 30 department is having employees, 40 department has no employees. In the department table, 40 department is the unmatched record. In the EMP table, this AA, BB are the unmatched records. So we want to get matched records and unmatched from EMP table. We want to get employee records to whom department number not assigned. Okay, so for this, we are writing like this. See, left out writing Oracle style. Now we are writing Oracle style. Out Jan we are writing. Left outer Jan we are writing. Okay. Now you tell me I write here. What we write? Select department employee name. E name employee salary. E salary department name. D name department location. D location from which tables? From EMP E department D. Okay, where write the Jan condition here. E department number equals to D department number. If we write this much only, what it gives? Matched records. Inner Jan. Matched records we will get. We want to get unmatched from side. Left outer Jan we want to write. For left outer Jan, write plus symbol at right side. Okay, observe here. It is giving all matched records. These are matched records. Ford is working in research. Alan is working in sales. What is working in sales? Matched records. AA, BB are the unmatched records. We are getting matched records and unmatched records also. So from left side table, how can you say this is a left side table? In Oracle style, okay, this Jan condition decides left and right. What is the left side table here? EMP. Left side table is E. E means EMP. So this is deciding left side table. From left side table also it is giving unmatched records. So for AA, BB, department is not assigned. Next question. Right outer Jan. Right outer Jan. We want to display the question is we want to display the employee records along with department details means matched records. If question is this much only, matched records. And also display the department names which are not having employees. Display the department names which are not having employees. This is the question. So we want to display the employee records along with department details and also display the department names which are not having employees. According to this example, the 40 department is not having employees. So unmatched record from department table, unmatched record from right side table we want. So what we have to use now? Right outer Jan we have to use. So what is right outer Jan? Right outer means right outer means matched records plus unmatched records from right table. Unmatched records from right table. So right outer Jan means matched records and unmatched records from right table. So right outer Jan gives right outer join gives matched records and unmatched records from right table. Unmatched records from right table. So we will get matched records and unmatched records from right table here. So this is the question. We want to display the employee records along with department details. So we want to display the employee records along with department details and also display the department names which are not having employees. So write like this. We want to get employee name and salary. Now what we write? E dot e name, E dot salary, department name and location, D dot D name, D dot location. From which tables? EMPE, department D. Where write the join condition. What is the join condition? E dot department number equals to D dot department number. If we write like this, what it gives? Matched records. We want to get unmatched from right table now. Okay. Display the department names which are not having employees. So department name is from department table, unmatched record we want. From right side table we want unmatched record. So right outer join we have to use. For right outer join, give the symbol at left side. I'm copying this. So this is this Oracle style or ANSI style? This is Oracle style. For ANSI style, very simple. One keyword we have to use. Which keyword we have to use here? Right outer join. So to separate these two tables, we are using the keyword right outer join. Right outer join we are writing. And don't use any symbols in case of ANSI style. So now both will give same output. Both will give unmatched record from department table. Observe. I'm copying this. See here, operations department is not having employees. This is unmatched record from department table. These are the matching records. Above all are the matched records. And this operations department is not having employees. This is the unmatched record from right table. Okay. So this is which style? Oracle style. Now the same query in ANSI style we want to write. So I'm copying this. Observe, sorry. In on class, I'm sorry. In on class, we have to write the join condition, right? In on class, I copied, but I didn't modify here. Sorry. In on class, we write the join condition. See here, it is giving unmatched record from right side table, department table. So these are the matched records. And operations department is not having employees. So we are displaying the department names which are not having employees. So this is about right outer join. Next one is full outer join. Full outer join. So very simple. For left outer join, if we are writing like this, E dot department number equals to D dot department number. What it gives? Only matched records. This one is called what? Inner join. This is inner join. Okay. For example, we are writing like this. E dot department number equals to D dot department number. Okay. I am writing plus symbol at right side. Plus symbol right side means this one is what? Left outer join. Left outer join means what it gives? Matched records plus unmatched from left. Unmatched from left. Okay. Now, for example, we are writing like this. E dot department number is equals to D dot department number. This plus symbol we are writing at left side. So what it gives now? Matched records and unmatched from right table. Unmatched from right table. Okay. So this is right outer join. This one is right outer join. Okay. Next. full outer Jan. Full outer Jan means it gives matched records plus unmatched from left, unmatched from right, unmatched from left and right, unmatched from left and right. Okay, what we have tried? E dot department number plus equals to D dot department number plus. If we write like this, it gives error. If we write like this is not full outer Jan, it gives what? Error. Okay, so most of the students think that for left outer Jan, we are writing symbol at right side. For right outer Jan, we are writing symbol at left side. For full outer Jan, we write symbol at both sides, like that they think, but it gives error, as you can write this Jan operator only once, like that it gives error. In technical terms, it gives error as you can write this plus symbol only once, either left or right, but not both sides it will give. So what we have to do, sir? So we have to write like this. There is one set operator is there, union. So to combine two select query results, we use it. To combine two select query results, we use it generally. So one select query we write here. In this select query, we use left outer Jan. In this select query, we use left outer Jan. So left outer Jan means what? E dot department number equals to D dot department number. Okay, union. One more select clause we need to write. So this is left outer Jan. And if we write the symbol at left side, that is the right outer Jan. So this symbol we are writing it right outer at left side. So this is right outer Jan. So left outer Jan union right outer Jan. So full outer Jan means left outer Jan union right outer Jan. Okay, so it gives matched records plus unmatched from left and right. So this one is called full outer Jan. This one is called full outer Jan. So E dot department number equals to D dot department number plus symbol we are writing right side, left outer Jan, union E dot department number plus symbol equals to D dot department number. This is right outer Jan. So left outer Jan union right outer Jan we write. So in Oracle style it is. So full outer Jan means it gives matched records plus unmatched from left table and right table. This is full outer Jan. So it gives, full outer Jan gives matched records and matched records and also gives unmatched records from left and right tables. If the question is display the employee details along with department details. If the question is this much only, write inner Jan, equi-Jan. Also display the employee records to whom department is not assigned. If the question is this much only, we have to write left outer Jan. The employees to whom department is not assigned we want. And also display the also display the department names which are not having employees. Okay, now we have tried full outer chain. So display the department names which are not having employees means unmatched record from right table. Display the employee records to whom department is not assigned means unmatched from left table. Okay, try to understand. This is what inner chain. Okay, display the employee records to whom department number not assigned means employee details are there, department number is not there. Unmatched from left table, EMP table. Display the department names which are not having employees means unmatched from department table, right table. Unmatched from left, unmatched from right, matched records. So full outer chain we have to use. So we need to use full outer chain. Okay. So we are writing like this. Select E.ename, comma, E.salary, comma, D.dname, comma, D.location from EMPE, comma, department D, where E.department number equals to D.department number. Okay, can we write plus symbol at both sides? Okay, if we write like this, it gives error. It gives error here. It gives error. So is it giving error or not? Just observe. So it is giving error. It is giving error as a predicate may reference only one outer joined table. Okay, so this plus symbol we can write it one side only. Here we are writing this plus symbol as two sides. A predicate may reference only one outer joined table. For one outer join only, use this plus symbol. Not for two outer joins. So it is giving the error here. So for full outer join, we cannot write like this. For full outer join, what we have to write then? Left outer join, union, right outer join. So here we are writing plus symbol at right side. Means what is this one? Left outer join. Union. We are writing this plus symbol at left side. We are writing plus symbol at left side. Means this is right outer join. So left outer join, union, right outer join. This is left outer, union, right outer. What is this union, sir? Listen. In the mathematics, in the sets chapter, maybe you learned about this union concept. If A set elements are 1, 2, 3, if B set elements are 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, what is A union B value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So is it giving, okay, what are the common elements here? What are the common elements here? 2, 3. Okay, is it giving 2, 3 for multiple times? No, one time only. In the same way, left outer gives matched records or not? Left outer gives matched records or not? Yes. Right outer gives matched records or not? Yes. Matched records will be given for how many times? One time. Union does not give the duplicates. Here matched records are there. This result plus this result will be combined. So matched records are here, matched records are here. But because of union, matched records we will get only one time. And unmatched from left table, unmatched from right table we will get. So this is which style? Oracle style. Now this one is Oracle style. I'm copying this. Observe. Full outer chain query we are writing. See here. So this A record B, A and B unmatched records from left table. This Adams Allen matched records. Blake Clark matched records. AABB unmatched from EMP table. Operations unmatched record from department table. So this is the department name which are not having employees. These are the employee names which are to whom department number is not assigned. And these are the matched records. So it is giving matched records, unmatched from left table, unmatched from right table. Full outer Jan. So this is ANSI style is very easy. You have no need to write two select queries here. Just simply change the keyword here. Okay, just simply to separate these two table names. Okay, for full outer Jan, what we write here? Full outer Jan. Full outer Jan keyword we write. Okay, and write this Jan condition in which clause? On clause. E dot department number equals to D dot department number. See here. So we have no need to write this much lengthy query in ANSI style. So simply we are writing like this. ANSI style I am running now. Okay. See, I'm copying this. Okay. So AABB unmatched records from EMP table. Operations unmatched record from department table. These are the matched records. Full outer Jan. So this is about full outer Jan. This is about outer Jans. Outer Jan topic is over. In the next session, we discuss about non-equi-Jan, self-Jan and cross-Jan. And tomorrow I finish this Jan's topic. Okay. If time is there, also we discuss set operators. So in the Jans, now you know clearly about two types. One is inner Jan, another one is outer Jan. Inner Jan means inner Jan gives only matched records. Outer Jan means matched plus unmatched. Left outer means matched plus unmatched from left table. Right outer means matched plus unmatched from right table. Full outer means matched plus unmatched from left and right table. Okay, tomorrow I cover these remaining types. Okay, thank you everyone. See you tomorrow. ఇక్కడ మీరు ఫారెన్ కి సెట్ చేశారు కదా, ఫారెన్ కి సెట్ చేశారు కాబట్టి మీరు ఇప్పుడు